There are many strange things in the universe. But Earth is all we've ever known. In other words, what may appear strange and exotic to us is probably not unusual in the galaxy. But that doesn't change the fact that space is packed with a variety of strange phenomena that astronomers are only now beginning to both uncover and understand. Here are some of the strange objects found in the outer space. 1. Galaxy of the living fossils. Sat-I is an ultra-diffuse galaxy, which means that although it is as large as a galaxy like the Milky Way, it is essentially undetectable due to the extremely thin star distribution. But in contrast to other UDGs, which are normally found in clusters, the ghostly Chat-1 was sitting alone when it was first spotted by scientists in 2016. The faint object, known as Chat-1, is thought to have formed just 1 billion years after the Big Bang, according to its features, making it a living fossil. 2. Quasar double image. Massive objects bend light in such a way that the image of what is behind them is distorted. The Hubble Space Telescope helped scientists find a quasar from the early universe, and they used that information to determine the universe's expansion rate. They discovered that the universe is expanding more quickly now than it was then, which is contrary to prior findings. Physics experts must now determine whether their theories are incorrect or if another unexpected phenomenon is present. 3. The USS Jellyfish. A jellyfish-shaped object was previously discovered by the USS Jellyfish researchers in a far-off galaxy cluster, 340 million light-years from the Earth. According to Science News, the structure, which has a head and tentacles, was given the nickname USS Jellyfish since it was discovered to be generating an ultra-low radio frequency and because of its ultra-steep spectrum. The authors of the discovery, which was published in the Astrophysical Journal, hypothesized that the celestial marine creature was created from a mixture of scorching gas and electrons produced by debris ejected from a black hole. The result of the material spinning around magnetic fields was radio waves that accelerated when the gas moved through galaxy clusters. 4. Strange radio signals. Since 2007, scientists have been able to detect extremely powerful, extremely bright radio waves that barely last a few milliseconds. Fast radio bursts, FRBs, have been named for these mysterious flashes, which seem to be originating from a vast distance of billions of light years. The second repeated FRB signal ever discovered, which flashed 6 times in succession, was recently observed by scientists and may help them solve this riddle. 5. A leading neutrino. On its own, the high-energy neutrino that struck Earth on September 22, 2017, wasn't all that remarkable. At least once per month, physicists at the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory in Antarctica observed neutrinos with a similar energy level. However, this one was unique since it was the first to come with sufficient details about its origin to allow scientists to point telescopes in the direction they originated from. They discovered that it had been launched at Earth 4 billion years prior by a blazar, a supermassive black hole at the galaxy's core that had been consuming nearby material. 6. Miniature black holes. There are hundreds of small black holes, each roughly the size of an atomic nucleus, dispersed across our solar system if the radical new Brandwald theory of gravity is true. Because of their tight connection to a fifth dimension, these mini black holes differ from their larger brethren in the way they affect spacetime. They are primordial byproducts of the Big Bang. 7. Cosmic cannibalism. Galaxies can devour one another and change through time, just like life on Earth. Andromeda, the Milky Way's companion, is currently enjoying a meal on one of its satellites. Andromeda is covered with more than a dozen star clusters, the cosmic leftovers from previous feasts. The simulation seen above depicts the collision between our galaxy and Andromeda, which will happen in around 3 billion years. 8. Nuclear pasta. The remains of a dead star give rise to the strongest substance in the universe. Simulations suggest that protons and neutrons in a star's shriveled shell can be subject to insane gravitational pressure, which would force them into linguini-like tangles of material that would snap, but only if you applied to them a force that was 10 billion times greater than that required to break steel. Scientists and astronomers frequently report their results in studies and journals as they continuously explore space to learn what lies within the great abyss. The fact that some entries are a little more intriguing than others shows that, when it comes to our constantly changing reality, we should always be prepared for the unexpected. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Explified.